Midabun bukoy dai gachamot chagien na chakwal we gachamot mode yom ne alinyakol yom lat. If you are new here in this channel and you want to learn Dinka to English short phrases, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we learn Dinka language together. Thank you for studying Dinka language with us. Man hoga bugal. Dinka English short phrases. 1. Kek achi jal kadia. Kek achi jal kadia. Kek achi jal kadia. All of them have gone. All of them have gone. All of them have gone. This means kek achi jal kadia. Dak kok a to buy. 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 Other boys are at home. Other boys are at home. Other boys are at home. Dak mean boys. Kok others. A to buy at home. Kudak kok ato panakim. Kudak kok ato panakim. Kudak kok ato panakim. And other boys are in hospital. And other boys are in hospital. Ku mean and. Dak mean boys. Kok mean others. Ato panakim are in hospital or at hospital. Og a biduk nyak. Og a biduk nyak. Og a biduk nyak. Og a biduk nyak. We shall return tomorrow. We shall return tomorrow. Og a biduk nyak. We shall return tomorrow. Og mean we. A duk nyak. Return tomorrow. Nyak mean tomorrow. Nyak mean tomorrow. Og a biduk nyak. We shall return tomorrow. Yin a kech lui warakol. Yin a kech lui warakol. Yin a kech lui warakol. You didn't work yesterday. You didn't work yesterday. Yin a kech lui warakol means you did not work yesterday. Yin a kech lui warakol. You didn't work yesterday. Warakol mean yesterday. Yin mean you. Yin you. Kech lui didn't work. Lui work. Yin a kech lui warakol. You didn't work yesterday. Og abra pur apay. Og abra pur apay. Og abra pur apay. We shall cultivate more dura. We shall cultivate more dura. We shall cultivate more dura. Og abi rap pur apay. Og mean we. Og we. Abi rap pur rap. Rap mean dura. Rap is word dura. Pur cultivate. Cultivate. Og abi rap pur apay. We shall cultivate more dura. Ku chok achuk bin nok yiron. Ku chok achuk bin nok yiron. Ku chok achuk bin nok yiron. Yiron. And anger will not torment us this year. And anger will not torment as this year. Ku chok achi ok binok yeruon. Ku mean an. Chok sha or chok mean anger. Anger chok. Yeruon this year. Yeruon this year. Knock mean torment or kill. That is knock. That mean kuchok achu ok binok yeruon, and anger will not torment us this year. Wa achijal ku abduk niak. Wa achijal ku abi duk niak. Wa achijal ku abi duk niak. Wa achijal ku abi duk niak. My father is gone and will return tomorrow. My father is gone and will return tomorrow. My father is gone and will return tomorrow. Mean wa achijal ku abiduk niak. Niak mean tomorrow. Niak tomorrow. Niak tomorrow. Duk da uka duk mean will return. Wa achijal ku abiduk niak. My father is gone and will return tomorrow. My father is gone and will return tomorrow. Yeah, that is wa achijal ku abiduk niak. Duk shwer da uka sha u er. Duk shwer. This one is very short one, you can know it. Duk shwer, do not steal. If someone tell you in Dinka language, yin duk shwer, that means do not steal. Duk shwer, do not steal. Duk shwer, do not steal. Duk shwer is a Dinka word, mean do not steal. Doka koch let. Doka koch let. Doka koch let. Doka koch let. Don't insult people. That means do not abuse people. That is doka koch let. Yeah, duk is singular. When you are talking to one person, you say duk shwer. If I say John, do not steal, that means John duk shwer, don't steal. And if there are two or more people, I can say doka, don't. Doka. That means you are talking to plural, more people. Yeah, many people. You are telling them don't insult people. Doka koch let. Doku wada jor. Doku is doku wada jor. Let us not annoy our father. Duku wada jor. Doka mir yenok. Don't kill giraffes. Don't kill giraffes. Mean don't. Doka mir yenok. Shur lo da. You are asking question. Shur lo da. Where is your father gone? Shur lada is a Dinka words meaning where has your father gone? Shur lada. Top more by is question. Top more by. Is your mother at home? is your mother at home? You are asking the child. To more by is your mother at home? You get a small child and you ask him or her. To more by. That means is your mother at home? To more by is your mother at home? Ye twany ngoken. What disease is this? What disease is this? Ye twany ngoken. Twany mean disease, sickness, illness. Yeah, like that. Ye twany ngoken. What disease is this? Yeah, then let us make a short recap. Cake achijal kadia, all of them have gone. Duck cock atop by, other boys are at home. Duk kudakok atop panakim, and other boys are in hospital. Ok abduk niak, we shall return tomorrow. Yin a cake lui warakol, you didn't work yesterday. Og abe rapur apay, we shall cultivate more dura. Ku chok asu og binok abro iruon, and anger will not torment us this year. Wa achijal ku abuduk niak, my father has gone and will return tomorrow. Duk swear, do not steal. Do ka kosh let, don't insult people. Doku wada jor, let us not annoy our father. Dokamir yenok, don't kill giraffes. Chur loda, where is your father gone? Tomor by, is your mother at home? Yetwanyoken, what disease is this? Yetwanyoken, what disease is this? Benyalit, real cake awake. May God bless you all. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for those who are going to watch this lesson. Please put your comment there. If these lessons, if they are good, tell me so that I can increase to add more like this. We need to learn Dinka language together. It's very easy language. You are going to know it step by step, and you will know somewhat. Please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Ustaz William Maje bringing you these lessons of Dinka to English videos. Thank you and bye.